How to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if your Instagram app is still not updated, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then simply search for Instagram. Once you have searched for Instagram, make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram, you may now open it. And then go to the message section found on the upper right corner of the screen, or you may swipe left like this one. And then once you're here, make sure to click on the view photo right here or the chat that you want. And then to replay a disappearing photo, you must um, take note that you can only replay the disappearing photo or video once. So for example, I haven't opened this one yet. Just simply click on it and then exit. So the indication that you may replay a photo or video is that you can still see the white text of photo or video, unlike this one. So this one, if the text will turn into gray, then that indicates that you may not replay the disappearing photo or video. So again, um, the white text will indicate that you can still replay the disappearing photo, so you just simply click on it and then you may replay that photo or video. However, once it will turn gray or the text will turn gray, then that indicates that you may not replay the disappearing photo or video. So that's it. That's how you can replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.